Hello guys, let's continue with our series. We were doing questions on stack data structure, and right now we are going to be doing the problem number 3 for the stack. And in this we are going to be using the properties of the stack to sort it, right? Let's get right into it. So we have simply defined our stack, and we have pushed some of the values into our stack. Now we are going to be creating our stack that will store the sorted values. It looks good. We are adding the elements. We are creating the new stack. We are popping. It looks fine. Let's try and run it. Error, error. What do we have here? Oh, okay. Let's fix this. And there we go. The sorting is successful. So basically in this we import our stack class, define our main class, do the public static void main boilerplate code, then we initialize our new stack. This will be our starting stack, our empty stack. Then we will be pushing on some elements into the stack. We push 25, 10, 50 and so on. After that we will be creating a new stack which will store our sorted values, because we need to store them, right? We need to store these values somewhere, so we'll be defining a new stack. This will be storing our sorted values, and it will be our sorted stack. So we start with a while loop. We check if the stack is empty or not. We continue this loop till the stack is empty. When the stack is empty, then we going to be stop. So when the stack is not empty, we initialize int temp equal to stack dot pop. So whatever you pop out of the stack, it becomes temp, right? Initialize that value to temp, whatever you have popped out, and then you check if your sorted stack is empty or not, right? You have to make sure it's not empty, right? While not sorted stack is empty, or while sorted stack is not empty, and sorted stack dot peak greater than temp, right? So what does it mean? It basically means that your original stack will be popping a value. The value is going to be stored in the temp, whatever you popped, and use the while loop. So if your sorted stack is not empty, you have to ensure it has something in it. It doesn't matter what, it needs to have something in it. And sorted stack dot peak, which means the newer stack, the stack that will be sorting your elements, you have to peek in it. You have to check the top element. If that top element in your new stack is greater than temp, right? If inside the sorted stack the element is greater than our temp, then stack dot push sorted stack pop, right? We pop this element. Sorted stack dot pop will pop the element. Remember, pop from top. So once you pop this element from the sorted stack, we will take this element and we will stack dot push this element, right? So in our main stack, in our starting stack, we will push this element that was larger than our temp, and we will keep it inside the stack, right? After that, sorted stack dot push temp. Once we do that, we are going, once we, this is our while loop, the condition, it checks the larger number, right? It checks the larger number, and it also checks that sorted stack is not empty, right? It should be empty. And once it checks, it simply pushes into the main stack whatever the value of sorted stack pop gave us, right? Very basic to understand. Once it is done, the sorted stack dot push temp happens, which means the temporary value that we popped, this temporary value is pushed into the sorted stack. And once that's done, it's over. This while loop will stop here. It will keep on repeating until the stack is empty. It will keep popping up the elements one after one, one after one, and one after one until it is empty. And once that is done, system.out.println command, sorted stack top to bottom, right? That's just our print statement. So while sorted stack is not empty, right, then the new stack, the sorted stack, until is it empty, until is it completely null or void, system.out.println sorted stack dot pop. So we will keep on popping the elements until that new stack is empty, right? That is how you are able to sort your values one after the other, and I hope you were able to understand. Thank you for watching.